Hi everyone, this tutorial will help you create your own logo. It's actually possible to talk about this for an hour, how to choose the right style, colors, and etc. But let's go fast, we'll take a reference and create our own logo based on it. And I like to smile and my name is George, so I took the Nike logo as a sample. First, let's open this file, or better open your own, and make a copy of this layer by Command or Ctrl J. Let's just turn this layer off and let's reduce the opacity of this layer. And in this way, we're gonna work with our logo. First of all, let's create this shape. For that, we're gonna grab the pen tool right over here. But the pen tool makes straight lines and we need curves, so we select the curvature pen tool. Make sure you have path selected here, and we need a rubber band right over here. It actually shows the result before we committed it. And now we just put the first point right over here and just try to put the next points right along the borders of the sample, like this. And we finish our figure by putting the last point on the first. And actually these are not just points, they are anchors. If we drag it, we can change the lines of the shape. To switch between curves and corners, just double-click a point to switch smooth point and corner points. And the second right over here. Double-click. To create more points, click on the path and drag the points. Just like this. We create a new points and just simply doing like that, we can create something like this. To delete a point, click it to make it active. This is active, and just press the delete key. So just by simply dragging, we can get the shape we need. After we have done, just click on the shape right over here. So let's change the color. We need the black color. Okay. Command Z. And go to the shape. Click. So let's just delete unwanted points. We can drag it if we want. So let's just check it. Turn this on, turn this off. It's okay, I like it. If you don't like your result, you can just actually select this layer, and after that just go to the pen tool and just find some points right over here, and you can change the shape. Let's just delete unwanted points to make it smoother. Less points, better shape. Let's delete this one, and this one, and this one. I like it. And now we need a text. Let's just select the type tool right over here, horizontal type tool, and let's just create a rectangular. And now just type in your brand. To change the type settings, you just need the type panel right over here, window, and character. And there are a lot of settings. So I like this text, and we can change it to, for instance, this one. Just highlight it, and you can choose italic and bold, or regular, or bold, italic. Okay, I like it. Just play around for that. You can reduce the horizontal scale, but 100 is okay for me. Just doing like that. It's okay, and after you've done, just hit commit. And let's just go to the move tool and change the size like this one. Okay, and we'll hit commit. And now I want to stretch it up, but I can't because I have a type and this is not smart object. In the next video we will learn about it. And now all I need to do, just right click on this layer with George and just select convert to smart object. And after that, if we press V and press over here, we can select free transform and warp tool. And now by simply doing like that, I can do something like that. This is smart object now. I can do whatever I want. And after that I commit it. And let's just save it. Turn this off. And here is my logo. Okay? I go to File and save a copy. And save it like a PNG file. My logo. And I hit save. Okay? And the next step here is to go to the edit and define brush preset. And here's my logo. My logo. And hit OK. And after that, for instance, on this picture, let's just undo last action on this picture. And I select the brush tool and my logo. And change the size of the logo. And here we go. I need a white one. Okay, change the color. The white one, and change the opacity. And change the size. And by simply clicking right over the image, like in this case, I can create my own logo on any image, on any case, and save it with my watermark. I can do that with any opacity, with any size, and now I've got my own watermark. And I hope you too. See you next video.